Hi, my name is Kiana Danial, the founder of the Invest Diva movement. Welcome to my new channel. So I did have an old channel that I had it for about 7 to 8 years, and something happened. I'm actually going back and forth with should we start a new channel or not, and I'm not going to tell you now what happened that we made this decision. I'm going to tell you in future videos. But this is my new channel. This is not like other, Twitter or Facebook or WhatsApp accounts who pretend to be me. This is the real me. This is my new channel, and we're starting fresh from scratch. If you scroll down in the channel, you'll just see 2 videos of me back in, I guess it's 2008, 2009, when I was on Japanese TV and I'm just talking in Japanese, I'm wearing kimono, I'm doing all these kind of things. But now we're bringing the Invest Diva movement here, and I'm super excited, and I really just wanted to welcome you, and I want to tell you why, what we're going to talk about in this channel. So what I'm going to talk about in this channel are mainly about wealth, investing, and making your money work for you. So the Invest Diva movement, that is the essence of the Invest Diva movement, is to help you make your money work for you and create an online investment portfolio for your family, even if you think you're not a math whiz, and even if you don't have a ton of extra cash to start with, and even if you're super busy with life and kids just like I am. So I'm going to show you in this channel exactly how to start and create your own investment portfolio so that you can create financial security for your family in the years to come. And also, being the author of the Cryptocurrency Investing for Dummies book, which was published by Wiley in March 2019, I'm also going to have some playlists dedicated to cryptocurrency investing, and the blockchain technology. I'm going to have cryptocurrency updates. I may restart my Cryptocurrency Investing for Dummies book reading here as well, and I'm also going to interview some key figures in the industry just to give you as much information as possible if you think the cryptocurrency investing route is the right route for you, and even if you're just getting started and want to know, okay, what this is all about, because there's a lot of buzz and a lot of hype and a lot of FOMO in the cryptocurrency investing field. So with that, thank you so much for watching. Please, please, please help me take off this new channel off the ground with a bang. Please subscribe, please share, and ask your friends to subscribe as well. We really hope this channel is going to bring a ton of energy. I'm going to do a bunch of things. I'm going to get rid of my teleprompter, because in my old channel I actually was using a teleprompter. As you can see now, my hands are free, so I'm going to try and work on just talking freely to you guys. English is not my first language, so don't tease me for that. And it was always very hard for me to get rid of that teleprompter, and I was like, oh, I gotta be script. I don't want to go off the script, but this is what I've decided. This is just me, and I guess I did well. I didn't even say many ums, but so yeah, I just said Okay. Welcome to my channel, and I'll see you in the next videos. And remember, make your money work for you.